different greens here, so one's darker than the other, so just do blue and brown and some of this Terra Beauty green and just mix it together like that.
Yeah, have you got a medium? I think she's a medium usually, but I know hers is a light yellow. But yeah, yellow. It'll be fine. Yeah. Good old forest green.
Yep.
Could use that in my stuff.
Right, now the next one is, we'll mix this colour now. So we'll take a little bit of blue and brown, and again the same green, and we'll add just a little bit of yellow to it.
She's mixing the colours, that's very interesting.
Sorry. And then a little bit of white as well.
Blue.
Don't forget to mix enough colour that you can drag down into your water side, okay? I wonder if I've done enough here. I'm actually going to mix a tiny bit more. I'm not sure if I've done enough of that colour.
Just in your way.
No.
Oh, that came together really quickly.
Okay. Here's my stick. Right.
Do you have blue in that second green?
Yep, blue, brown.
Yeah,
Always
right.
blue, brown, and then add Terra Beauty, yeah? Okay, so I'm going to go with the back one first, this back one, and I'm coming in about, because this is crossing the halfway mark, so it's across the halfway to about there. So I'm going to come in about here at the top.
You're using a flat.
Like that. And don't make any hard lines across this part because that is going to cross over it, so we don't want to see any hard lines coming through. Okay, so just basically colouring it in here. Actually, I'm going to use a bigger brush to fill that in. And again, when you paint over tape, that can dry, try not to make it too thick because it can dry in a hard line and we'll be crossing over that hard line with those little boats. And you don't want to see a bump. So to make it less thick, I'm just putting a little bit of water on here, dabbing it off, and I'll run my brush along that part. Just a little bit to try and thin it. Okay, so now I'm going to go on to the darker one. So it comes down through there. Like that. And I'm just filling it in.
don't mind.
Well,
It's
everyone
relaxing.
That's just chilling out.
It's nice and relaxed.
Orchestrated.
Yeah.
My nanny does that when I'm really hungry. It growls. Rubbing it in.
And again, I don't want any hard lines there, so I'm just going to wet my brush a little bit again and dab it off, and then run across that tape line. Right, now get a filbert brush, which is your round head